Hello students, welcome to maths lecture. So in the previous lecture we have started the revision lecture of lesson number 11, ratio and proportion. Okay, so today we are going to just solve the word problem sums. In the previous lecture we have solved basic sums of ratio and proportion. Now today we are going to solve the word problem sums. Okay, so let's see. Sita got 45 marks and Geeta got 40 marks. Find the ratio of Geeta's marks to Sita's marks. Okay, what they have given in the question, see, Sita got 45 marks and Geeta got 40 marks. We have to find the ratio of Geeta's marks to Sita's marks. First we will write down whatever the information given in the question. Okay, so first, marks scored by Sita. How much? 45. Similarly, marks scored by Geeta. 40. Now we have to find out the ratio of Geeta's marks to Sita's marks. Okay, Geeta's marks to Sita's marks. So second to first, we have to find out the ratio of the second to first quantity. Okay, here therefore ratio of Geeta's marks to Sita's marks is equal to Geeta's marks upon Sita's marks. That is equal to marks scored by Geeta 40 upon marks scored by Sita 45. Okay, so the ratio is 40 upon 45. Now we have to see whether both the numbers are divisible by same number. Yes, they are. See, 40 divided by 9, 45 divided by 9. 9. Okay, oh sorry. Divided by 5. See, both the numbers are divisible by 5. Okay, 5 8 is a 40, 5 9 is a 45. So you will get the ratio 8 upon 9. Okay, so therefore ratio of Geeta's marks to Sita's marks is 8:9. Okay, see, both these numbers 40 and 45 are divisible by 5. 5 8 is a 40, 5 9 is a 45. So you have to divide both numerator and denominator with number 5. Okay, we got the answer 8:9. Okay, now next, length and breadth of a rectangular plot at 60 and 48 meter respectively. Find the ratio of length to the breadth of the plot. Okay, so what they have given in the question, see, there is a rectangular plot. Okay, there is a rectangular plot, okay, whose length is, see, this is the length and this is the breadth. So length is 60 meter and breadth is 48 meter. Okay, we have to find out the ratio of length to the breadth of the plot. So first we will write down length of a rectangular plot 60 meters. Similarly, breadth of the plot 48 meters. we have to find out the ratio of length to breadth. So therefore ratio of length to breadth of a plot is equal to, now they have told you to find out the ratio of length to breadth. That is why we have to write length above and breadth below. Okay, we have to take length as numerator and breadth as denominator. But if they have asked you to find out the ratio of breadth to length, then you should write breadth at numerator's place and length at denominator's place. Okay, so here we have to find out the ratio of first to second. So length upon breadth is equal to, length is 60 and breadth is 48. Now whether both these numbers are divisible by single number? Yes. 12 5s are 60, 12 4s are 48. So you have to divide both 60 and 48 by number 12. 5 upon 4. Okay, so therefore ratio of length to breadth of a plot is 5:4. Understood? Okay. Now next, last one. Let us read the question. Out of 60 students in a class, 35 are boys. Find out the ratio of first boys to the total number of students, then second girls to boys, and third total number of students to girls. Okay, so first let us write the given information. They have given out of 60 students in a class there are 35 boys. Out of 60 students means there are total 60 students in one class. So total number of students in a class 60. Okay, and number of boys in a class are 35. Okay, now first we have to find out the ratio of boys to the total number of ratio. Boys to the total number means we have to take boys at numerator's place and the total number of students at denominator's place. So first, ratio of boys to total number of students, that is equal to number of boys upon total number of students. Number of boys upon total number of students. So there are 35 boys and 60 students. Now see, 35 and 60, both numerator and denominator are divisible by number 5. 5 7s are 35, 5 12s are 60. So you have to divide both 35 and 60 by 5. You will get 7 upon 12. Okay, so therefore ratio of boys to total number of students is 7:12. Understood? Then second, they have asked that we have to find out the ratio of girls to boys. Girls to boys. Now here they have not given you the number of girls. So first we have to find out the number of girls. Okay. See. Girls. Now there are total 60 students in one class and 35 boys in one class. Okay. Out of these 60 students, there are 35 boys. So from this given information, we can find out the number of girls. Okay. Girls. Number of girls is equal to total students minus number of boys. 60 minus 35, 25. So there are 25 girls out of total students, 60 students, and 35 boys. Okay. Now we have to find out the ratio of girls to boys. So girls upon boys. 25 upon 35. 25 divided by 5. 35 divided by 5. 5 5s are 25. 5 7s are 25. So therefore, ratio of girls to boys is 5:7. Okay. Now last one. You have to find out the ratio of total number of students to girls. Means we have to take total number of students at numerator side and girls at numerators or denominators side. So ratio of total students to girls is equal to total students upon number of girls, which is equal to total number of students 60 upon number of girls 25. Okay. So again divided by 5. 5 12s are 60. 5 5s are 25. So ratio of total number of students to girls is 12:5. Okay, understood? Okay, so I hope you might have understood what we have revised today. Okay, in the next lecture we will be further solving the further sums of this lesson. Okay, further word problem sums. Okay, so we will meet in the next lecture. Till that, stay safe, stay healthy, and take care. Thank you.